Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add numbers in columns. So as example, I will create numbers in columns like I will set 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. And if you want to add these all numbers like into these columns, we can use manually. First, you can press equal, click this column, plus icon, and again plus 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 and plus. Now you can press enter to apply. Click yes. It will be automatically set for the add all this number. If you change, it will be automatically changed. Another option, you also can use the auto sum. Like in there, I will click at this point, and then you can click this function auto sum to be automatically sort the columns, and you can press enter to apply. Or the other option, you can click at this point, equal sum, open, and then you can click at this point. Okay, move into here. Now you can close and press enter again. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to add numbers in a column. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.